everyone, I'm Millie and this is Pitik, my foster cat. Today's drag craft tutorial will show you how to turn your old plastic bags into one of these cat baskets. And don't worry, there are no complicated tools required, just a pair of scissors and your hands. Okay, so let's get started. Some bags might have handles like mine, so if this is the case for you, cut them off at the beginning and discard them. Gather all your plastic bags and layer them in piles of 3 or 4. This is to lessen the amount of cutting you need to do. Now you can cut the bags into strips. For thicker bags like the ones I'm using, you want to cut thin strips, maybe 1 to 2 centimeters wide. For thinner bags, say from the supermarket, you need to make the strips wider, around 4 centimeters. Once you have finished cutting the bags into strips, you can open them up into loops. You will need to cut along the edge of the strips that were at the base of the bag. Cut carefully to avoid wasting too much of the plastic. It's good to have 2 different colored bags. I'm going to use purple and pink. This will make it easier for you when weaving. One color will be the weaving thread and the other will be the warping thread. In my case, the pink will be the weaving thread and the purple will be the warps. Gather the warps together, then take the pink weaving strip and put it over the top, wrapping it under, holding the warps, and then pulling the pink through. This will create a knot and secure all of the strips together. Now it's time to start weaving. You can open up the strips with the pink at the top and the purple underneath. Start by weaving the pink under, over, and under. Then you will go backwards, doing the opposite, going over, under, and over again. Once you have 2 rows, you can play with the tension so that it is straight and even. Once you are happy with the tension, you can keep going, following the same pattern, over, under, continuously repeating. At some point, your pink weaving thread will begin to run out, and you will need to add more to it. To do this, open up the loop and thread a new strip through the loop. Then, pull the tail through the head of the loop and pull tight. You may need to adjust the knot a little to make it as small as possible so that it won't create a lump in your weaving as you continue. Then you can keep going, over, under, just as before. So let me show you that technique once more. Open up the loop, thread the new strip through, pull the tail through the head and pull tight. Then you can continue weaving the pattern as before, over, under, over, etc. The next thing you will notice is that your purple warp strips will get shorter. When there is about 10 centimeters of length left, add more strips of purple just as we did for the pink strips. Open the loop, thread the new strip through, pull the tail through the head, and pull tight. You want to repeat this for all 3 of the warping strips at the same time. This will make it easier for you later on, not needing to start and stop all of the time to add more warping strips. Then you can continue just as before until your row is about 35 centimeters long. At that point, you can stop. So now you should have created your first row with lots of dangly pieces coming off it. If you want to stop now, you can tie a knot in the end and create a fun cat toy instead. But of course, if you are here for the full cat basket tutorial, please tune in to the second part of this drag craft tutorial on how to make a recycled plastic bag cat basket. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks for joining us.